In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Aurora rod in Fisch. So this is actually quite tricky. Bear with me as I explain this to you. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to enter the vertigo inside Fisch. And the way you do this is actually a bit tricky, okay? So vertigo, in case you didn't know, is one of the secret locations in Fisch, and in order for you to be able to enter it, you will have to dive into a pretty much strange whirlpool that spawns just randomly around the map. So once you are going around the map from an island to the other island, you'll randomly get a message saying a strange whirlpool has opened. Now, it is almost always somewhere within the ocean, as I said, between all these islands that there are. I'm sure you're aware of these. Now, you will recognize it by the vertical pillar of light that is going out of it and into the sky, okay? So, over here, I'd like to say that what you have to note is that there are also regular whirlpools, okay? And those are spawning all around the map regularly, but jumping into those will not lead you to where you want to go, however, it will just lead you to death. So, if you accidentally jump into one of those normal whirlpools, what you want to do is quickly leave the game and log back in to avoid any money loss. So, to get the Aurora rod, what you have to do is, as I said, first enter the right whirlpool, so you want to get to the vertigo, and then in there you'll meet Synth, and Synth is the resident merchant NPC inside the vertigo. He also sells Nocturnal Rod for 11,000 money credits over here in the game. However, what we're really looking for is the Aurora rod. Now, you can find the Aurora rod in Vertigo, however, not always. It's only been able to find once you are during an Aurora event. So we can only find it once the Aurora event is going on. And it costs 90,000 of these money credits inside the game, so you'll have to grind quite a bit to be able to get it. Now, the easiest way to get the Aurora event is you can either just wait for nighttime because it's just randomly summoned during the nighttime, or you can simply just server hop until you find it, which is the fastest and the easiest way. Just hop servers until you find it. You can also use the Aurora totem to trigger it yourself, however, it costs 500,000 of these money credits over here in the game, which means that the rod would cost you 590,000 in-game money credits, which actually isn't really worth it. So yeah, as I said, you wanna get the Aurora event, and when the Aurora event is happening, what you wanna do is hop into the right Aurora vertigo, so you'll be able to get inside the vertigo to get to the secret location. So inside the whirlpool that has that light beam and leads you to the vertigo realm, and in there, during the Aurora event, you'll be able to get the Aurora rod. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was understandable, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.